there, it's Kayla Matthews with RE/MAX Alliance, and if you're thinking about selling your home, then stay tuned and watch these tips to get your home market ready. Tip number 4 is to clear out the clutter. Buyers want to see how big your garage, cabinets, closets, and sheds are, so you can expect buyers who are looking at your property to open up these doors and look at these spaces. It is important that you have these spaces cleared out as much as possible because the spaces may be large, but if they are full with items, they can look small. So here's some tips to help clear out that clutter. The first step to help clear out the clutter is to go through these spaces and create a donate, keep, and a throwaway pile. The items you are keeping, if you can live without them until the sale of your home, then put them away into storage. Next, you want to install closet organizers to help the closet look organized and a space where a buyer can envision their stuff being in. Finally, you want to give closets a fresh coat of paint and cabinets a fresh shelf liner. That way people can see that it's well maintained. The better organized your closet spaces are, the larger they will appear. So start working on clearing out that clutter and get your home market ready. I hope you have found this information useful, and I look forward to helping you, your family, or your friends with the sale of their home. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.